Did you know that Papua New Guinea, located in the heart of the Pacific, is one of the least explored and most culturally diverse countries in the world? With over 800 languages spoken across its lush islands and mountainous highlands, it's home to more linguistic diversity than any other country on Earth. Its rugged landscapes harbor secrets of ancient traditions that have remained untouched by time, from the mysterious rites of the highland tribes to the vibrant coral reefs that teem with marine life. But there's even more to this island nation. Papua New Guinea also has a rich ecological history, boasting the largest intact rainforest outside the Amazon. And while it feels like a world away, this country's influence on the modern world dates back to World War II, when its lands became the battlegrounds of the fierce Kokoda campaign. Today, with a growing economy centered on agriculture, mining, and tourism, Papua New Guinea offers a fascinating blend of past and present, nature and culture, just waiting to be explored. A nature lover's dream, Papua New Guinea's pristine landscapes. With over 80% of the land covered in dense forests, Papua New Guinea is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The country is renowned for its untamed rainforests, towering mountains, and stunning coral reefs, many of which remain unspoiled. Visitors can trek through the rugged terrain of the Kokoda Trail, dive among the world's richest coral reefs, or explore the spectacular fjords of Tufi. These landscapes, untouched by industrial development, make Papua New Guinea a dream destination for adventurers, offering experiences that are increasingly rare in a modernizing world. Rich cultural heritage and traditional living. Papua New Guinea is home to more than 800 distinct languages and a similar number of ethnic groups. This linguistic and cultural diversity is among the most complex on Earth, with each group having its own unique customs, traditions, and dialects. Many Papua New Guineans live in small, self-sustaining communities, preserving their traditional ways of life. In villages, people still practice ancient rituals, wear traditional clothing, and follow indigenous laws. Visitors can experience a living heritage through cultural festivals, where tribes perform mesmerizing dances and showcase their vibrant attire, including feathered headdresses and painted faces. Friendly and hospitable communities. Papua New Guineans are known for their hospitality, making it easy for foreigners to feel welcome. While the culture may seem reserved at first, locals are incredibly warm and eager to share their stories with visitors. Hospitality is deeply rooted in the traditional wantok system, a concept of extended kinship and mutual support among family and community members. This strong sense of community, reinforced by a communal way of living, means that even newcomers can feel like they're part of the family. A slow-paced island life with modern conveniences. Papua New Guinea offers a unique blend of slow-paced island life, infused with just enough modern conveniences to keep daily life comfortable, yet grounded in tradition. Life here is refreshingly simple, with days often following the rhythm of nature and traditional customs. Locals prioritize community, family, and cultural practices, which means there's always a strong sense of connection and support among neighbors, or as they say here, wantoks, meaning one talk, or kinship groups. Despite the laid-back lifestyle, urban centers like Port Moresby have shopping malls, international restaurants, hotels, and modern healthcare facilities, making these conveniences accessible to visitors and residents alike. The country's recent economic growth, largely driven by natural resources and tourism, has led to a gradual improvement in infrastructure, bringing more roads, reliable electricity, and internet access to remote areas. However, in many rural communities, people still live much as they have for centuries, embracing a simpler way of life with a rich understanding of their surroundings. This balance between modernity and tradition makes Papua New Guinea an enchanting destination, where you can experience the tranquil pace of island life without entirely giving up modern comforts. Adventure tourism, diving, hiking, and wildlife exploration. Papua New Guinea is a paradise for adventure seekers. offering some of the world's most thrilling outdoor experiences in an environment that feels untouched by modern development. Diving is a top attraction here, with Papua New Guinea's coral reefs regarded as some of the healthiest and most diverse in the world. Beneath its crystal-clear waters, divers can explore vibrant coral gardens teeming with rare marine life, World War II wrecks that rest on the ocean floor, and dramatic underwater walls. The Bismarck Sea and Milne Bay are particularly renowned for their astonishing biodiversity, offering diverse encounters with creatures ranging from tiny pygmy seahorses to majestic manta rays. On land, the Kokoda Track offers a challenging and historic hike through rugged mountains and dense rainforests, spanning roughly 60 miles of treacherous terrain. This track, famous for its role in World War II, invites trekkers to follow in the footsteps of soldiers while experiencing the awe-inspiring landscapes and remote villages along the way. For those who crave encounters with unique wildlife, Papua New Guinea is home to some of the most fascinating species in the world, including tree kangaroos, birds of paradise, and countless endemic reptiles and insects found only in this isolated region. Birdwatchers from around the globe flock to Papua New Guinea for a chance to see the country's 40 species of birds of paradise, whose dazzling plumage and unique courtship dances are a marvel to behold. Additionally, dense mangroves and ancient forests provide habitats for numerous rare plants and animals, making Papua New Guinea a biodiverse treasure trove. Mount Wilhelm, the country's highest peak, is another prime destination for adventurers, offering a strenuous climb that rewards hikers with panoramic views stretching from the highlands to the distant coastline. These activities aren't only thrilling, they offer a rare connection to nature in its purest form. In Papua New Guinea, adventure tourism is more than an activity. It's a journey into one of the last untouched wildernesses on Earth, a place where every dive, hike, and wildlife encounter offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Affordable living costs in a natural setting. One of the most appealing aspects of Papua New Guinea is its affordable cost of living, especially for those who seek a simpler lifestyle surrounded by nature. Unlike many other tropical destinations, where prices can be quite steep due to tourism demand, Papua New Guinea remains surprisingly affordable. Accommodation options range from traditional village homestays and modest guest houses to modern apartments in the urban centers, all offering budget-friendly choices without compromising on charm. Food is another area where costs stay low. Fresh produce like bananas, coconuts, taro, and yams is widely available in local markets, and traditional meals are both filling and inexpensive. Utilities, too, are generally lower in cost. And with much of the nation embracing outdoor, community-based living, it's easy to enjoy a fulfilling lifestyle without extravagant expenses. Transportation within the country, while adventurous due to its unique geography, is also reasonably priced, particularly in rural areas where locals often travel by foot or by traditional watercraft. Additionally, Papua New Guinea's abundant natural beauty, from pristine beaches and rich coral reefs to mountainous jungles, means there's no need to spend on costly activities. Hiking, snorkeling, and exploring local culture are readily available and often free. With its affordable living expenses, Papua New Guinea offers a unique opportunity to experience a rich, authentic lifestyle set against one of the most breathtaking natural backdrops in the world. Safety and security in Papua New Guinea. While Papua New Guinea is known for its warm and welcoming locals, it is important for visitors to stay mindful of safety precautions, especially in larger cities where crime can be an issue. Staying in secure areas, avoiding walking alone at night, and adhering to local guidance can help ensure a safe and enjoyable stay. Many expatriates live in gated communities or secure compounds for additional peace of mind, especially in urban centers. Education and opportunities for families. Papua New Guinea's education system is still developing, with both public and private options available. In major cities like Port Moresby, international schools offer curricula based on British or Australian systems, making them a popular choice for expatriate families. For those interested in teaching or community work, There are various volunteer opportunities to support education in rural areas, where schools may lack resources and staff. Residency and visa options for foreign nationals. Obtaining residency or a visa to stay in Papua New Guinea involves several options, each tailored to different needs, from tourism to long-term residency. For short-term visitors, the most common choice is a tourist visa, which typically grants stays of up to 60 days, allowing travelers to experience the country's rich culture and natural beauty. Business visitors can apply for a business visa, often valid for up to 30 days, which permits participation in meetings, conferences, and short-term projects, but not employment. For those interested in working in Papua New Guinea, a work permit is required along with a specific work visa, both of which are issued based on sponsorship from a local employer and are generally granted for a period of up to 3 years. Additionally, Papua New Guinea offers permanent residency options to foreign nationals who have lived and worked in the country for a specified period, usually 5 to 10 years, allowing for greater stability and integration. Finally, some expatriates may also explore investor visas or retirement visas, aimed at those who wish to contribute economically or enjoy a peaceful retirement amid the nation's vibrant landscapes and cultural richness. Port Moresby, a growing hub with deep history. Port Moresby, the vibrant capital of Papua New Guinea, is more than just a bustling urban center. It's a city with a fascinating blend of modern growth and ancient heritage, named after British naval officer Captain John Moresby, who arrived in 1873. Port Moresby sits strategically along the Coral Sea and has been a focal point for trade and exploration for centuries. During World War II, this city was a pivotal site for the Allied forces, playing a key role in the Pacific Theater and in battles that shaped the region's history. Today, its skyline is marked by contemporary buildings, shopping centers, and hotels. Yet you'll also find traditional markets and crafts that connect visitors to Papua New Guinea's rich cultural roots. As one of the country's primary economic hubs, Port Moresby has grown rapidly in recent years, driven by investments in oil, natural gas, and mineral exports. The city's Jackson's International Airport is now a gateway for global tourists eager to explore the country's untouched landscapes and cultural diversity. But Port Moresby isn't just a gateway. It's a destination of its own, with landmarks like the National Museum and Art Gallery, which house artifacts from the country's over 800 indigenous groups. Despite the challenges it faces, including urban poverty and infrastructure demands, Port Moresby stands as a symbol of Papua New Guinea's potential, showcasing the nation's unique blend of ancient tradition and modern ambition. Traditional festivals and tribal celebrations. Papua New Guinea is renowned for its traditional festivals, where tribes from across the country come together to celebrate their heritage. Events like the Mount Hagen Cultural Show and the Goroka Show showcase dazzling dances, war paint, and traditional music. Each tribe proudly displays its unique identity through vivid costumes and intricate body art. These festivals offer a glimpse into the diversity and unity of PNG, as communities gather in a spirit of mutual respect and joy. Papua New Guinea's culinary delights. The cuisine of Papua New Guinea is rooted in simplicity, with a focus on fresh, local ingredients. Dishes often include sweet potatoes, taro, bananas, and seafood, which are prepared using traditional cooking methods like grilling and earth ovens. Mumu, a dish cooked in an underground oven, is a must-try, combining meat and vegetables for a rich, smoky flavor. Local fruits like pineapple, papaya, and coconut add a tropical touch to the island's cuisine, and sago pancakes make for a tasty dessert. For a local beverage, try kava or malin, a traditional drink made from fermented sugarcane. Papua New Guinea's ancient and ecological heritage. Papua New Guinea's history stretches back tens of thousands of years, making it one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited regions. Archaeologists believe that humans first arrived on the island over 50,000 years ago, developing unique cultures and ways of life that have persisted and evolved independently. Today, Papua New Guinea is recognized as one of the world's last frontiers of biodiversity and ancient human history. The country is home to some of the most diverse and pristine ecosystems, including sprawling rainforests, volcanic mountains, and over 400 species of coral that make up its rich marine life. Papua New Guinea is also known for its ancient traditions and connection to the natural world, with its people having lived in harmony with these ecosystems for centuries. Many tribes continue to practice sustainable living, relying on their traditional knowledge to manage resources in balance with nature. Remarkably, much of Papua New Guinea's dense forest and unique flora and fauna have remained largely untouched, making it a crucial sanctuary for conservationists and biologists. Additionally, ancient rock art and archaeological sites scattered throughout the island provide a window into the spiritual and social lives of early inhabitants. Preserving these natural and cultural heritages is a priority for the country, especially as it balances development with conservation. With increasing interest from scientists, historians, and travelers alike, Papua New Guinea's rich heritage continues to reveal incredible insights into early human civilization and ecological resilience. Pros and cons. Let's see the pros first. Papua New Guinea offers unparalleled natural beauty, with lush rainforests, unspoiled beaches, and vibrant coral reefs that make it a paradise for nature lovers. The country's cultural diversity is exceptional, with over 800 languages spoken and rich traditions that offer visitors a unique chance to connect with indigenous customs. Affordable living costs make it an attractive destination for travelers and expatriates seeking a more budget-friendly lifestyle. The slower pace of life and emphasis on community provide a refreshing change from the hustle of more industrialized countries. For adventurous souls, the opportunity to explore remote areas, witness traditional rituals, and experience life in one of the world's last untouched frontiers is a significant draw. And finally, the cons are: while Papua New Guinea offers unique experiences, it also comes with challenges. Its infrastructure can be limited, making travel between regions difficult and time-consuming. Healthcare services in rural areas are often basic, so access to quality medical care may be an issue, especially for those with specific health needs. Safety can be a concern in certain parts of the country, where crime rates are higher and tourists are advised to take precautions. Additionally, internet and mobile connectivity may be inconsistent, which can be a downside for those who rely heavily on technology for work or communication. Finally, adjusting to the local culture and lifestyle may require patience and flexibility, as customs and social norms can be vastly different from those in Western countries. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Papua New Guinea. If you enjoyed exploring this amazing country with us, be sure to check out our other videos for even more adventures around the world. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below to let us know what fascinated you most, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Your support really helps us keep bringing you new content.